Ever been stuck in a situation where you needed to grab a ride but didn't have enough cash on hand? Or maybe you wanted to order food online but your bank account was running low? Well, fear not. In today's digital age, there's a convenient solution, GrabPay. But how do you actually transfer money to your GrabPay wallet? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding GrabPay. Before we get into the transfer process, let's quickly understand what GrabPay is. It's a digital wallet that can be used for various transactions within the Grab app, including ride-hailing, food delivery, and more. Think of it as your virtual wallet that you can top up with money to make payments seamlessly. Transfer methods. There are a few different ways to transfer money to your GrabPay wallet. Let's explore them one by one. Credit or debit card. This is the most common and straightforward method. Simply go to your Grab app, navigate to your wallet, and select Add Money. You'll be prompted to enter your card details. Once you've done that, confirm the transaction. The funds should be added to your GrabPay wallet instantly. Bank transfer. If you prefer to use your bank account, Grab often provides instructions on how to make a bank transfer to a designated account. Once you've made the transfer, you'll need to enter the transaction reference number into the Grab app to confirm the deposit. This process might take a few hours to complete. Over-the-counter, OTC, deposits. In some regions, Grab partners with convenience stores or other outlets where you can make cash deposits directly to your GrabPay wallet. You'll usually need to provide the cashier with your GrabPay QR code or account number. Tips for a smooth transfer. Check fees. Some methods might involve transaction fees. Make sure to check the terms and conditions in the Grab app to avoid any surprises. Security first. Always prioritize security when adding funds to your GrabPay wallet. Avoid sharing your account details with anyone and be cautious of phishing scams. Keep your wallet updated. Ensure that your Grab app is up to date to access the latest features and avoid any compatibility issues. Transferring money to your GrabPay wallet is a simple and convenient process that can enhance your Grab experience. Whether you're using a credit card, bank transfer, or OTC deposit, there's a method that suits your preferences. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be able to top up your GrabPay wallet and enjoy the benefits of cashless payments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.